This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase everything from your iPhone. First, it is crucial to back up all your data to iCloud or your computer. This ensures you do not lose any precious memories or important files during the process. Make sure you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi network and that your iPhone has at least 50% battery life or is plugged in. This preventative step safeguards your information effectively. Next, you must sign out of your Apple ID account. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, and then scroll down to Sign Out. You will be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to confirm this action. This critical step removes all your personal associations with the device, protecting your data and preparing the iPhone for its next phase. It is a necessary safeguard. Now for the main event, erasing your iPhone. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings from the options presented. You may need to enter your device passcode to confirm this action. The process will begin, securely wiping all data, apps, and settings from your device, typically taking several minutes to complete. After the erasure process completes, your iPhone will restart and display the familiar Hello screen, just like a brand new device. This confirms that all personal data, settings, and apps have been thoroughly removed. Your iPhone is now completely wiped and ready for a new user, or for you to set it up as if it were fresh out of the box. You have successfully erased everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.